Imagine you're a bank executive who desperately needs to collaborate with insurance companies and telecom operators to build better fraud detection models. You have the data, they have the data, but here's the catch. Sharing that data directly would violate GDPR, compromise customer privacy, and potentially cost your organization millions in fines. Sound familiar? You're not alone. We live in a data-driven economy, yet accessing and sharing that data has never been more complicated. Privacy regulations like GDPR, the upcoming EU AI Act, and growing consumer awareness have created what I call the data collaboration paradox. We need data to innovate, but we can't share it freely. This challenge has sparked two competing solutions: data clean rooms and federated learning. Today, I want to show you why one of these approaches is fundamentally flawed, while the other represents the future of privacy-preserving collaboration. Data clean rooms have gained massive popularity across advertising, retail, and banking. Think of them as secure digital vaults where organizations upload their data to perform joint analysis. Sounds perfect, right? Wrong. Here's what the marketing brochures won't tell you about DCRs. First, you're surrendering data sovereignty. Every time you upload data to a clean room, you're essentially saying, I trust this third-party provider with my most valuable asset. One security breach, one system failure, and your competitive advantage evaporates. Second, the operational complexity is crushing. You need specific legal agreements, data processing agreements, usage contracts, and shared governance frameworks. Each analysis requires validation, coordination, and audits. It's like trying to perform surgery while wearing boxing gloves, technically possible, but painfully inefficient. Third, scalability is a nightmare. Want to collaborate with 5 hospitals, 10 banks, 20 universities? DCRs buckle under the pressure. Network capacity strains, storage costs skyrocket, and performance degrades exponentially. But here's the most damaging limitation: analytical quality constraints. Many DCR implementations restrict you to basic statistical models or simple regressions. You can't train complex AI models on real datasets. You're essentially paying premium prices for mediocre insights. And let's talk about the environmental impact. DCRs require full dataset duplication, multiple processing rounds, and massive energy consumption. In an era of climate consciousness, this approach feels almost reckless. Now, imagine a different approach. What if you could train sophisticated AI models collaboratively without ever sharing your raw data? That's exactly what federated learning delivers. Instead of moving data to the model, FL moves the model to the data. Organizations train models locally, then share only the mathematical parameters, gradients, and weights that contain no directly identifiable information. It's like having a master chef learn recipes from multiple kitchens without ever seeing the ingredients. The results are transformative. Complete data sovereignty. Your data never leaves your infrastructure. Native GDPR compliance. No personal data transfer means dramatically reduced legal risk, superior scalability, perfect for distributed environments and edge computing. Energy efficiency. No data duplication, no massive transfers. And advanced AI capabilities. Train complex neural networks on real datasets. Here's something that should keep every data officer awake at night. GDPR considers pseudonymized data as personal data if it can be re-identified using reasonable means. Most DCR datasets fall into this category. With federated learning, you're not transferring personal data at all. You're sharing mathematical abstractions that cannot reconstruct original datasets when properly implemented. This isn't just compliance, it's compliance by design. Each organization remains the data controller, simplifying responsibility flows and data protection impact assessments. You're not just following regulations, you're exceeding them. Your next move. The choice is clear. While data clean rooms offer a stepping stone from direct data sharing, they're ultimately a compromised solution with fundamental limitations. Federated learning represents the future, a future where organizations collaborate freely while maintaining complete data sovereignty, regulatory compliance, and analytical excellence. The question isn't whether you'll adopt privacy-preserving collaboration technologies. The question is whether you'll choose the approach that truly protects your data, respects your customers' privacy, and positions your organization for sustainable growth. The data-driven economy demands collaboration. Federated learning makes it possible without compromise.